Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living here on YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some cleaning motivation, a quick video to give you that motivation to get started on your to-do list. So as you can see, first up in the video of cleaning is laundry. This is one way that I tackle the laundry quickly in my home. My 8-year-old and my almost 6-year-old help me with the laundry. So I will fold it and then I'll give them a stack and say this goes to this person's closet, this goes to this person's closet, and mostly my 8-year-old helps me with this, sometimes my 6-year-old. And yeah, he tackles the kids' laundry, some of the bathroom laundry, and then I put away my stuff and my husband's stuff, or sometimes I just put my husband's stuff on the end of the bed and he will get it put away when he gets home. So this is a quick way for us to get it put away, and it really works for us, and it's a chore for my kiddos. And sometimes I joke that it's kind of like PE class because I have them running around to the different places, the different closets, the different rooms. So this is all empty now, and we have a little bit more of this to put away. We actually have a couple more laundry baskets to deal with, but here is a little bit of laundry motivation for you. And we are excited we got it done, right? Where's the camera? You say hi? Hi! The next task on the to-do list for today's video was tackling our homeschool table here in our living room. We're still using our lap desks from Michael's on the couch and trying to homeschool at the dining room table as well, but we love to have this table to give a space for independent work, or just a place that we can work closely together, and my toddler can have space at the table for different activities and all of that. So this table is a great space for us to be doing different things at the different areas in our living room and dining room, but it's been piling up with all the things, with the curriculum, with the cups, because I have to do lots of things pretty quickly with all 4 kiddos, and I haven't had a chance to put all of our curriculum away day to day because my newborn loves to snuggle, and I'm trying to get back into that groove of how do we get the things put away on time. So this was Friday or Saturday when I filmed this, and I wanted to get ahead and get a fresh start for the next week coming, so that Monday morning when we got back into school, the table was clean and we could work here if we needed to, and that all of the curriculum was put away so I could grab it quickly and we could get started with our week well. And the baby is asleep in the carrier, so I could tackle this. And yeah, I'm finding my groove again with cleaning. And yeah, so get up and tackle a space in your home that needs to be decluttered. We are almost done with the cleaning, but as you can see from watching the video, I'm tackling my dining room table. This is one of the most used spaces in our home. We do all our activities here, we do homeschool here, we eat here, and yeah, things just pile up, and I know that I can't be the only one where your dining room table just collects stuff. So tackling this, and that's going to finish up the video. I hope this video gave you some motivation to clean up your spaces, get rid of some clutter, and get to organizing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.